Hello, everybody. So, carrying on from what we talked about on Monday with solving equations, now we're going to bring in multiple operations at a time. We're going to focus on equations that have two operations in them. So, today's learning objective, I can solve these two-step equations. Make sure this is down in our notes. Three examples for today. Won't be too bad. Here's our first one. But before we get into these examples, when we start looking at these multiple operations within an equation to solve, it's important to think of the order of the operations so that way we can reverse them to solve them. When it was just one operation before, you just saw the one, did the opposite, you were done. But now when there's more of them, there's a certain order to get rid of them. And the way I like to think of it, I like to think of our inverse, our reverse, our opposite order from the order of operations. So we all know this order of operations, the parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, that PEMDAS. Well, now we're doing the opposite. We're going to look for first addition and subtraction and get rid of those. Then we're going to look for multiplication, division, get rid of those. If we see any exponents, we get rid of that. And then if we see any parentheses, we save that all the way till the end. So looking at our problem here, I see 2x plus 4 equals 12. I see the two operations. Right away, 2x tells me multiplication. So there's one of them. And then plus 4, hopefully easy to see, but there's addition as well. So going through the opposite order of our order of operations, I need to get rid of that addition first. So I get rid of that plus 4 by doing the opposite. I subtract it. And remember, with equations, whatever you do on one side, we need to keep it balanced, so we do it to the other side as well. Those 4's on the left cancel. 12 minus 4 on the right gets you 8. Now that we have 2x is equal to 8, we only have one operation left. It's that multiplication. So let's get rid of multiplication by dividing by 2. Whatever you do on one side, do on the other one. So divide by 2 on the other side. 8 divided by 2 gives us our final answer of 4. So there's example number 1. Excuse me. Look for your operations. Work them in the reverse order of the operations. So take care of addition, subtraction first, then take care of multiplication, division. We had no exponents, so we didn't have to worry about it. We were all done. Let's do another one. This time we're looking x divided by 6 minus 15 is equal to 5. Again, thinking opposite of the order of operations. So I'm looking for addition or subtraction. Well, I don't see any addition, but I do see subtraction. So let's get rid of that minus 15 by doing the opposite. Plus 15 on one side, plus 15 to the other side. Those 15s on the left cancel, they're gone. 5 plus 15 gets me 20. Now I have x divided by 6 is equal to 20. Get rid of division by doing the opposite. What's our opposite of division? Multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by that 6. All that does is cancel out the 6's here on the left. I'm going to be left with x on that side. 20 times 6 on the right side gets me 120. Add, multiply. There's our answer. Getting rid of two operations in one equation. Let's do one more example. This time we're looking at 8 minus 4x is equal to 12. Looking for those operations by our variable to get rid of them. I see 8, then I see a minus 4x equals 12. This one's a little tricky. That minus 4x makes us think we have to get rid of subtraction here, but really what it's saying is negative 4 times x. So that's going to be multiplication we have to get rid of. This 8 over here is just another constant term. We have to get rid of it. What sign is this 8? Well, it's positive. So we could get rid of it by doing the opposite. We can subtract it on both sides. 8 minus 8 gets me 0, so that 8 disappears. Whatever I do on one side, do on the other. 12 minus that 8 gets me 4. So now I have negative 4x equals positive 4. Divide by negative 4. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. 4's cancel. I get x is equal to positive 4 divided by negative 4. Gets me negative 1. There's our 3 examples for today, guys, looking at two-step equations. Email me if you have any questions. If not, you just keep on rolling. Thanks. Have a good one.